No, you have 5.
Whoa!
It's 1, 2, and 5. Like it's...
Let's see. Are you opposed to violin music?
Not really. I mean, I also played it when I was a little kid, so no, he played the piano. Never mind. I don't know. Maybe. No.
Sorry.
No, no, not sorry.
Any suggestions?
Let's see.
Well, I
you
have
were a
a question.
freaking Viking.
Just don't ask them what their nationality is.
That would be considered cheating.
That would be counterproductive.
Ask them if they mind eating rotten fish.
Counterproductive.
Were you ever a Viking?
Yeah!
No.
Well, that narrows the choices down.
Well,
Well, that eliminates.
Seriously, ask them about the fish.
What about the
do you have problems with eating fish? No!
Depends on if you take the bones out for me. I love fish.
Well,
Another one.
The moment you realize that we're all gonna be kind of...
Sometime this century.
Oh, wait, wait, what?
I would have to go with my fellow Viking.
Yeah!
Now let's celebrate by getting drunk!
Bro? Oh, friends though.
They're more than just